Hi, my name's Sharon Mckie. I'm the Head of Family Law Department at Taylor Bracewell. So the new divorce procedure came into force on the 6th of April of 2022. And so this is the first major change for general divorce procedure in 50 years. And the change is really wide-reaching in that even the terminology now has changed. So for example, it's no longer called a divorce petition, it's called a divorce application. Therefore, you're not the petitioner anymore, you would be the applicant. And the decree absolute, which is the end of the marriage, is now called a final order. And the decree nisi, which is the intermediate stage, is called a conditional order. So it's really important for people to understand the new terminology. And the main change is that under the old divorce procedure, you had to rely on the fact that the marriage had irretrievably broken down. However, you also then had to refer to one of 5 reasons, one of 5 facts, and that included things like unreasonable behaviour, adultery or periods of separation. So from the 6th of April, the huge change was that we now don't have to give any reason for why the marriage has broken down. The parties just have to file a statement that the marriage has broken down and don't have to give any reason. So it's commonly known as the no-fault divorce procedure. The parties also, for the first time ever, can actually submit a joint application to the court that the marriage has broken down, and that's never been permitted before. The other major difference is that the divorce has a period of waiting. So what happens from lodging the application with the court, there will have to be a minimum period of 26 weeks before the divorce can be finalised. Now the reason for that is to allow a period of reflection and consideration, but also for the parties to be able to resolve their financial affairs. And so that should allow hopefully appropriate time for that to happen. So solicitors and bodies like Resolution have been campaigning for the no-fault divorce procedure for many years. So it's really pleasing that after all this time, it has now come into force and we're just really getting to grips with how it's going to work and how it's going to play out. So all the information for the new divorce procedure along with the new terminology can all be found on the website. Thanks for watching. I hope that was valuable. If you want to contact us about any more family law issues, please get in touch using the details on screen.